Dear friends, a Japanese 10 years old boy standing at attention after having brought his dead brother to a cremation ground in 1945 and the aftermath of the United States of America had dropped two atom bombs, namely Little Boy and Fat Man on Hiroshima and Nagasaki after the surrender of the Japanese army, which had caused a lot of devastation. The hitherto history had never witnessed such a worst tragedy that it has caused to the loss of the lives of Japanese more than 1 lakh of precious human lives. Joe O'Donnell, an American journalist who had captured this photo and sent it to the United States military department so as to establish the damages on the Japanese homeland by the atomic bombs as the on the civilian population, which is against the all democratic norms, human values, and the laws of international human rights and the international humanitarian laws. The statement of the American journalist to his Japanese counterpart revealed the real story of the photo. I quote, I saw a boy 10 years old walking by. He was carrying a baby on his back. In those days in Japan, we often saw children playing with their little brothers or sisters on their backs. But this boy was clearly different. I could see that he had come to this odd. The little head was dipped back as if the boy were fast asleep. The boy stood there for 5 or 10 minutes. The man in white masks walked over to the and quite began to take up the rope that was holding the baby. That is when I saw that the baby was already dead. The man held the baby by the hands and placed it in it and the fire. The boy stood there straight without moving, watching the flames. He was biting his lower lip so hard that it shone with blood. The flame burned low like the sun going down. The boy turned around and walked away silently. This was the statement given by the American journalist who has captured this rarest picture of that Japanese boy who has paid the tributes to his dead brother. That is, burial of his dead brother in a decent way is the first and foremost aim of that boy. In India, during the pandemic situation, so most of the dead bodies have been flown in Ganges rivers and without any dignity and all that. The point of this message is that this video is that the God has asked the boy so as to give the cargo that is he is holding on his back, but that man has that boy has rightly said that this is not a cargo, it is my brother. That was the love and affection that he had on his brotherhood, that the same sort of brotherhood and the feeling of affection on each and every person in this world shall be the motive of all the human beings without adhering to these nonsense discriminations based on caste, religion, race and nationality. This should be the lesson that should be learned from the little Japanese boy of 10 years old. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.